and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to watch Disney Plus offline. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Disney Plus offline, then all you gotta do is simply open your Disney Plus. Once you open your Disney Plus, you need to simply have to follow these simple ways to watch your contents offline. So if you want to watch your Disney Plus contents offline, you need to simply download the movies or shows on mobile app. That is on your iOS app or your Android or your Fire tablet with a premium or supported subscription. After you have this access, you can simply tap on the download icon, that is arrow on the title page, and then access it via the downloads tab. Downloads require periodic reconnection every 30 days, so you should make sure that your phone has a stable connection in every 30 days. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.